So you would like to know how to cut Wedi or Jackoboard to make mosaics? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Helen Miles and I'm here to teach you all the tips and tricks you need to make mosaics. In this super short video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut Wediboard or Jackoboard for mosaics. So for this you'll need a Stanley knife, or a utility knife as they're called in America, with a good new sharp blade. Make sure it's nice and sharp. You will also need a metal ruler. I've got this one with a handle on, which I really recommend. Obviously you don't need the spirit level, but the handle really helps. So I also have another ordinary ruler without the handle. And I find if I'm cutting along quite a long length of the board, that's a possibility that the ruler will slip. So I do recommend having a handle. This is the board we're going to be cutting. This one is Jackoboard and it's 12mm thick. And this one is Wediboard and it's 4mm thick. Now these are the same products essentially, they're just different manufacturers. And what they are is a compressed foam board which are used for lining bathrooms. This is an example of a mosaic made on Wediboard. Unfortunately I can't show you the whole thing because of the angle of the camera. But anyway, it's a lightweight board which is obviously flat and you can use it outdoors. And then when you've finished, I don't know if you can see that, you just cover the edges with the same grout that you're using to grout the mosaic. I use the thicker board when I want to put in fittings like these ones so that the mosaic can be hung. And I use thinner board when I want to just create a panel which is going to go directly onto the wall like a large tile, so it's going to be held onto the wall by tile adhesive. For this video I'm just going to cut a very short bit of Wediboard, actually this is Jackoboard, so that you can see what I'm doing under the camera. So I've got my ruler which I'm pressing firmly down with my hand and running the knife along the ruler, and I'm just scoring it initially. And after two, and probably I'll just do one more, you can feel that the blade has gone through the board, but it's not hitting the table underneath. Now all I'm doing is holding the Jackoboard against the edge of a table with the score line right on the edge, and I'm just going to snap it. And you can see there's still a thin layer which is holding it on. So I'll just run my knife along that. And it's exactly the same with the thin Wediboard, except I've put a piece of wood underneath it to protect the table. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, then please subscribe below.